Learning Turkish suffixes is very hard. Absolutely right. Most lessons on Turkish suffixes get either too technical, full of grammar jargon, or too simplified, just lists without explanation. A good beginner-friendly guide should give practical tips, show patterns, and avoid overwhelming learners. Here's a structured, easy-to-understand lesson. Tips to understand Turkish suffixes easily. Turkish is an agglutinative language. This means instead of adding separate words, Turkish builds meaning by attaching suffixes to the end of a word. Think of suffixes like Lego blocks that you add one by one. One root, many words. Start with a root word. Example.
Ev,
House
ev,
means house.
evler, evler,
Means houses.
evler, evlerim,
Means my houses.
evlerimde, evlerimde.
Means in my houses. Notice how we keep adding suffix blocks step by step. Vowel harmony, suffix music. Suffixes change their vowels depending on the last vowel of the word. There are two simple rules. Two-way harmony.
A, e,
Harmony. With vowels.
a, I,
Use.
a,
With vowels.
e, I,
Use.
e,
With vowels.
o, u,
Use.
a,
With vowels.
ö, ü,
Use.
e,
Example with plural suffix.
ler, kitap,
Becomes.
kitaplar, kitaplar.
Books.
Şehir, şehirler, şehirler.
Cities. Four-way harmony.
I,
Type harmony. This applies when suffixes have four options.
I, u, ü.
If the last vowel is
A, I,
use,
I,
use,
I, o, u,
use,
u, ö, ü,
use.
ü.
Buffer letters. Protectors. When adding a suffix, sometimes a buffer letter is needed to keep the word smooth. Most common are
Y, N, S, Ş.
example with possessive suffix.
Araba,
Becomes
arabam, arabam.
my car,
Araba, araba,
your car,
arabası, arabası.
his, her car. Order of suffixes. The Lego chain. Suffixes usually follow a natural order. Root word. Plural suffix.
Ler,
Possessive suffix.
in, I,
Case ending suffix.
den,
Verb tenses suffix.
iyor, ecek.
Example.
Okul,
School.
okullar,
Schools.
okullar, okullarım,
My schools.
okullar, Da. Okullarımda.
In my schools. Learn by groups, not all at once. Instead of memorizing 100 plus suffixes, learn them in groups. Plurals.
Ler. Lar.
Possessives.
İm. İn. İ.
Cases.
De.
In,
Den.
from,
E.
to. Verb tenses.
İyor.
Present,
Di.
past,
Ecek.
future. Practice suffix building games. Take one route and try adding suffixes step by step.
Kitap.
Book,
Kitaplar. Kitaplar.
books,
Kitaplarım. Kitaplarım.
my books,
Kitaplarımı. Kitaplarımı.
my books. Here it is used as an object.
Kitap. Lar. I. Okuyor. Kitaplarımı okuyorum. Kitaplarımı okuyorum.
I am reading my books. Key tip for beginners. Don't try to translate suffixes word for word. Instead, think of them as clues added to the root word. Each suffix adds just one piece of information. Plural, possession, case, tense, etc.
I hope you liked today's video. Be sure to let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Turkish Language Academy. Thanks for watching. Görüşürüz.